In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. If you want to try something different than your default keyboard, here's how to change theme of it in a few seconds. Begin by launching keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can access any of those themes. To see even more, tap on those icons at the top right corners. And after picking a perfect one, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But now my favorite part, to customize it with any photo you have on your Sony, click on this icon of a color palette again, and this time hit this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you want to apply as your new keyboard background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. And this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to manage any of your keyboard themes, go back to the same settings. Now, to remove any, click on it, tap on bin icon at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To edit one of your custom ones, click on it as well, and tap on this pen available next to bin icon to make all of your changes. Make sure to tap on apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!